Okay, try. That was a fail. You ready to go hiking?
Alright, so I just got here to Seattle, Washington, and I just got to the house. What we're gonna do is give this tour this little tiny house here in Washington. It's actually really freaking awesome. Like, this is gorgeous. Little tiny home. So cool. I feel like I'm jumping to Harry Potter. So we have the kitchen. It's awesome. All these reviews of this at home. And I'll actually link the house. Restroom. Really small, but I mean, it gets the job done. I love to take cold showers. Cold showers are very therapeutic for anybody who has like anxiety, low mood, like low energy, low motivation. The cold shower will wake you up. This is my favorite part. I call dibs on this one. And so the best part is, check it. During the day, you're gonna see some beautiful sky out. See, I got some footage while I'm here.
You did? Okay, try. That was a fail. You ready to go hiking?
Let's see. Nature. I feel calm, balanced, just relaxed, just chill. This is great. I think everyone should do this. How I want my morning routine in the future to look like. First thing in the morning, wake up, cold shower, go out in nature, meditate. A good hour and a half to just ourselves. Restore balance, mind, body, spirit. And just nature. We're almost to the top. We've been hiking about 2.5 hours now, and I have a bad back, so I'm gonna take frequent breaks. But we hit the jackpot with this.
know. I've like been a little bit to.
It's beautiful.
No human like has and should ever be that close to grizzlies, right? But there's like
Just nature.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Bring a parachute. Dude, could you imagine? Just back to the car. Jumping off.
There we go. There we go. That's all I was saying. Microphone was off. Just nature. Just chilling. We're the only ones up here now. Everyone's gone. It's just us three. So yeah, that's I made it here for the first one, and I'm gonna go on another trail tomorrow. I'll see you guys there.
Do you want to tag him?
Wait, what are you doing it on? I always thought it was a bad word in the beginning.
Well, trip is over, and we're at the airport now in Seattle. Back to Orlando. And it's been a great trip. I'm gonna try to put all the videos together and show you a little nature vlog. It's actually really fun. So, yep.